Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop tutorials, and in this video you are learning Photoshop tools. So in this video I will show you that where you should use Magic Wand tool and where you should use pen tool. To understand it better, let's take one image. For example, this photo, or maybe different. Okay, let's check this photo. Okay, so tab here. You can see this website. You can download the image from here. So this one is wallpaper, so I like better Katrina 3. Now let's open this in our Photoshop. I'm just hiding this one, right? This one also. So open from here and then Katrina 3, the first one. Now Control C, Control C and paste again. Now if I use Magic Wand tool here, then it is not possible to select properly. You can see because the background color is totally different. And when you increase or decrease from here, then it won't select you properly because the color of background is also matching with the photo. For example, if you see this, the color of this one is very similar to this one. So if I select this color, then it will also select photo color. Okay, for example, let me show you. You can see if I selected this one, then it also got. So when you will delete, then it will delete like this. Okay, so in that case pen tool comes handy. By the way, pen tool you can select precisely. How? Let me show you once again. Pen tool I have already shown you, but you can select these precisely. I'm selecting it faster, but you can select slow so that you can select proper edges. I use spacebar key for moving, right? Spacebar and then drag. Okay. Press Alt and then click. It takes more time, of course, than the Magic Wand tool, but it has more control as compared to the Magic Wand tool. Magic Wand tool is better for similar color background. But if the background color of image and the image color itself is similar, in that case Magic Wand tool doesn't work. Now let's match the point. Now right click, okay, right click and make selection. selected, and then Control Shift I invert select, and it's deleted. So you can see now it's better. The background is completely removed. So now you understand where to use magic wand tool and where to use the pen tool. For this one magic wand tool can be used because color is the photo color and the background color is different. That's why we can use magic wand tool in this case. Here, because it is not selecting photo, but still I think it is selecting because we have increased the edges, that's why. So it's better if you keep 40, that will be better. I've already shown you that how you can press shift, okay, press shift and then remove, then slowly it will get selected completely. But this is really very helpful because in most of the cases the background is and photo color is not same, so in that case it will be very useful, okay, and it can be deleted the background very quickly. Press delete, now it's deleted. So Photoshop has provided both the tools, so each per your requirement, either you can use a pen tool or magic wand tool. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.